Do you know the minimum balance you should keep in your checking account? Many people overlook this detail and end up losing money every month to unnecessary bank fees. Banks often have strict policies, and not knowing them can cost you more than you think. Let's look at a real example to see how this works and why it's important to pay attention to your account balance. For instance, at Scotiabank, if you don't maintain around $4,000 as your minimum balance in your checking account, you'll be charged about $16 every month. This fee might seem small, but it adds up quickly. The bank system automatically checks your balance at the end of each day, so even a brief dip below the minimum can trigger the fee. Let's see how this impacts your yearly expenses. Here's the catch: if your balance drops below the minimum even for just one day in the entire month, you'll still be charged the full monthly fee. That means you could lose around $190 per year just in bank fees. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your finances over time. So what's the smart move to avoid these charges? To avoid these unnecessary fees, keep only the required minimum balance in your checking account. Move any extra money to smarter places where it can work harder for you. This simple habit can save you money and help you grow your savings faster. Now, let's talk about where your extra money should actually go for the best returns. Most people leave their extra money in a savings account or just sitting in their checking account. But did you know the interest you earn there is taxable? Instead, there's a smarter way to make your money grow without paying extra tax. Let's explore how you can use a cashable GIC inside a TFSA for better results. Cashable GIC, or Guaranteed Investment Certificate, gives you guaranteed interest. When you hold this GIC inside a TFSA, all the interest you earn is completely tax-free. This means you get to keep every dollar your money earns without sharing any with the taxman. It's a powerful way to make your savings work harder for you. Let's break down TFSA in simple terms. TFSA stands for Tax-Free Savings Account. Any interest, dividends, or gains you earn inside this account are completely tax-free. You can withdraw your money anytime without penalty, making it perfect for emergency funds or short-term savings. Just remember to check your contribution room in your CRA account and avoid over-contributing, as there are penalties for that. TFSA is incredibly flexible. You can use it for emergency funds, short-term goals, or even investing in stocks and bonds. All the growth inside the account is yours to keep tax-free. Plus, you can withdraw money whenever you need it without any penalties or taxes. It's a great tool for anyone who wants to grow their savings efficiently. Now let's talk about RRSP, which stands for Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This account helps you save on taxes today. When you contribute to your RRSP, the amount is deducted from your taxable income, which can give you a tax refund or reduce the tax you owe. However, you'll pay tax when you withdraw the money, usually during retirement when your income is lower. For example, if you earn $70,000 and contribute $10,000 to your RRSP, you'll be taxed as if you earned $60,000. This can result in a nice tax refund or a lower tax bill. Your contribution limit is generally 18% of your income, but you can check the exact number in your CRA account. It's a smart way to save for retirement and reduce your taxes now. Remember, you'll pay tax when you withdraw money from your RRSP, usually during retirement. The idea is that your income will be lower then, so you'll pay less tax overall. This makes RRSP a great tool for long-term retirement planning. Always keep track of your contribution room to avoid penalties. Let's move on to FHSA, which stands for First Home Savings Account. This is one of the best accounts available in Canada, especially if you're planning to buy your first home. It combines the benefits of both TFSA and RRSP, making it a powerful tool for future homeowners. With FHSA, you get a tax deduction when you contribute, and your withdrawal is completely tax-free if you use it to buy your first home. You can contribute up to $8,000 per year with a lifetime limit of $40,000. To qualify, you must be a first-time home buyer. It's a fantastic way to save for your dream home while maximizing your tax benefits. Let's put everything together. Keep your minimum balance in your checking account to avoid fees. Move your extra money into a TFSA with a cashable GIC to earn tax-free interest. Use your RRSP to reduce your taxes today, and if you're planning to buy a home, maximize your FHSA. By following this strategy, you can save money, avoid unnecessary fees, and grow your wealth faster. These simple steps can make a big difference in your financial future.